Hi, I'm a library administrator, and I'm going to show you how to prevent users from deleting documents and folders in your secured folders and document management libraries. Right now, end user Alice is working on a contract document in a library dedicated to managing contracts. We can see that she has the permission to delete the document because she has access to the delete button. Alice is a contributor in this library. By default, contributors have delete rights on documents. As a library administrator, I want to prevent end users like Alice from being able to delete contract documents in this library. Let's go to the Library Administration interface. From the Document Classes section, I can see the available classes in my library. In our example, I'm working on the Contract Document class. From the Security tab, in the General Permissions section, I'm going to select the option Only administrators can delete documents. This means that no users, except for library administrators, can delete documents and folders in this document class. Don't forget to save your changes. Let's go back to Alice's document and refresh. We can see that she can no longer delete the document. The delete button is no longer available. With AODocs, prevent users from deleting documents and folders and add extra security to your secured folders and document management libraries.